Here we go. We got ourselves a 2018 Cadillac Escalade that we need to make a key for. So, yeah. Customer has one right here. Beautiful. And then here's mine. Beautiful with the logo now. Now I'm trying to remember where is the slots right there. Okay, cool. This vehicle. So it says turn the ignition on for 5 to 10 seconds. That's when this turns on. Boom, boom, boom. Push the start button one time. Place the new key in the slot. Press OK. It already has the code. Enter it. OK. It's processing. We gotta wait 10 minutes. All right, wait up. Press the start button once. Program key number 3. Program has failed. Let's see if it really failed. Look at it. Still works though. Sometimes they'll say it would fail, so let's check it out. Nice. It shows it as registered driver 3. Yep, you're driver 3. Okay. So job is done. Let me